Hi guys, it's Abby's Kids, and today we're going to do the video where the other people do their makeup but they can't see what they're doing. Now we can start. Now. Okay? Oh no. I'm just scared. What the heck? Okay, now. Are you done? All you need to do is put eyeshadow on your eyebrows. So, now on your cheeks. Okay. Now on your cheeks again. Oh my gosh. That's so pretty. Okay, now we're... See, Dad? Ah! You put it in my mouth! Now... we're done with this part. Ow. Dad, close it. So, right now, put it down. Put it over. Did you make it? Yep, you made it in the right place. Alright, now go get, oh my gosh. Here we are with eyeliner. Oh no. Is it fine? Is it okay? Comment down below if it's okay, because I barely can see. Oh no, we're putting it on the eyebrows again. Now it looks like I'm mad. Oh no. Oh, now we put it on the forehead. Ooh, nice and pretty. Okay. Oh, no, not my eye. That's a good. Okay. It looks like I'm Post Malone right now because he's drew on my face. So don't poke me in the eyeball. Okay. Are you gonna like do more or something? Okay, yeah. That's not really how you do eyeliner though, but I'm putting it all over my face. So I have big hands and I'm little and I have muscles. And I have black hands. And now let's go to the other item. Put it back. Eyeshadow. No. Oh my gosh, Dad. What the heck? Okay, put it back. Now let's get on the other item. Oh, all the way over there. Put it on our hands. And now we rub it. Now we rub it. Then we put it on our face. Oh, geez, in our belly, in our face. Geez, okay, stop. My eyes, it burns. It burns. All right, that's it for today's video. Subscribe to my channel. My eyes hurt so much. Oh my gosh, my eyes.
Hey guys, I'm Stephen Mouse. As you know, I have small, light hands, and see, I was in an accident where my hands shrunk, but it's only for a short time. The doctor says that my hands should be normal within a week. So I know it's a little rough thing, but hey, we're going to deal with it. But today, for the first time ever, I'm going to try to put on makeup for the first time. You ready? Okay. Without further ado, let's get started with the new makeup. We take it right here, and we just dab it a little bit right here, and put it on the cheek right here, right next to the eye. Now, with this color, it makes me look more of a chocolate. This makes it a little bit a milk chocolate. Now, we got some on the beard we see here, but it gives it a little gray hair look. And you know, ladies love the gray hair on the chin. It's a new sexy thing. Now, we brush some of it on the eyebrow right there. Bring it down and let's get some of this white color. Put it right there on the cheek. Oh yeah, look like a warrior. That's right. Let's smear that in. Okay. Close. There we go. Now, toss that over there. We don't need that no more. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is the eyeliner. Let's get this started now. Smells good. All right. Yeah. Now we put some right there on the side, right there by the beard, have a line going up to the eye, make it look like a teardrop with a little X right there. That lets people know that I killed someone. Okay, now, it scares all the bad people away. It also looks fashion. Now we rub some on the forehead and a little bit on the lips. Yeah, right around there, just to coat the makeup. Okay, and on the lip right there, yeah. Tastes good too, yeah. Yeah. Usually I don't like the liners on the lips because I think girls look like they've been eating booty, but I do eat booty. And it's a normal thing for me. It's like a tradition. On the right eye again. Rub some on the forehead just to give a little bit more war marks. Coming down. It looks like art when you're fully done. So don't knock it until you try it. Now we put that one away and toss that over there. Yeah. Now, we're gonna get the final touch. Are you ready? We grab the lotion. Don't you love the blue, guys? Oh. Now we open it up. Smells like lavender. Yeah, just like that. Just a little bit more though. Okay, now. Put some foam in your mouth. Because it makes sure it tastes very lovely. It makes the lips very, very soft. When you go for that first kiss, the person will be gladly to kiss that wonderful, smell good mouth. All soft and smooth, and it tastes like lavender. Who doesn't want to kiss a lavender flower? Make sure you rub some over the beard and up your nose, just so you can be smelling lavender for the next 2 days. And don't forget to add a little more lavender over the teeth too. Yeah, get up there in the teeth, in the gums area. Get a thick coating. Oh, right down the nose. And right there between the eyes. Face is smooth and soft. But you smell like lavender for weeks. All around the nose. Yeah. all in the mouth. Until you gag. Yeah, I currently can't see right now. I have a chunk of lavender lotion in my tongue. But that's okay. That's when you know it's working. Yeah, we'll put a little bit more in there. All around. Yeah, smear this. All around. All around there. Close that. I can't see it. Close it. Close it. Out. I'm starting to taste poison from the lotion. So make sure you...
Okay.
Make sure you get it in your hair. Now, I currently have bald hair, but you want to make sure you rub it through your scalp.
Okay.
All right, guys. Now we're done. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Right there. Link below.